The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Aviation Administration. An unidentified aircraft has been located near the state of Florida. The aircraft is presumed to be foreign and may pose a threat to those in the area. Florida residents are advised to immediately tune to local media outlets for further developments, as is it not known if this aircraft is a hostile enemy. More updates will follow as information becomes available. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Numerous foreign aircraft from an area in Africa have been identified and are carrying individuals that are invading the country. Their intentions are unknown at this time. Residents of the United States are strongly encouraged to shelter in place to avoid being attacked or taken hostage. To shelter in place, take the following precautions. Close all windows and doors. Turn off all heating, air conditioning units, and all lights. Have a battery-powered radio for information for your stay in the shelter. It is also recommended that you take shelter in either the lower or uppermost portion of your location, and get away from windows. Continue to monitor local media outlets for more information for your specific area. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States.
How much can one villain take?